Can you see the
Yes.
right? See, this is a enterprise version of uh, uh, software. So there is no available in the free version of in the market, and it comes in CRs and $1 million. So that's the reason I'm not able to show you. This reason I'm just showing you the video of those things. It is fine. See, this is how Cisco router is going to be configured. See, this is a Cisco ASA pin configuration is pasted into the skybox. See what kind of configuration it is going to see. As I told you, any in the source, any in the destination. See, this is a easier way it is giving you. If you go here, see this thing. This one is very hard to read. My screen is visible.
Yeah.
Yeah. So see, this is a way of access this reading this way. It is very harder way, right? So what this software is do, this makes is in the column like source, destination, and the action in the easier way. See, you are just putting this. You are just putting this configuration into this software. So how we are going to do?
So every company uses the same software, or it is based upon
See,
whatever the company is using.
See, there is a three company currently: Skybox, Algosec, and Manage Engine. So whenever you go in the company or you work in the information security, you are handling one of these softwares like Skybox, Algosec, or Manage Engine. To simplify, the
Manage what, sir?
Manage Engine.
Manage engine.
Yeah. So this way you are going to handle the configuration of your firewall. You are not manually logging into the firewall. You will be given access to this software, and from that you are going to pull out the report and you are going to make the report. See, this is a way. It is in simpler way. It is giving you reports, and there is an Excel form. See, here you can see export. If you export it, it will come into the Excel form. See, see.
So our resume should have all these three tools.
No. Your resume don't have to be this thing. You just have to be aware ki how you are going to do those things. That's it.
Okay.
I'm just you have to remember ki this software exists in the market. Otherwise, see if they ask you ki what kind of automation tools you should know Skybox, Algosec is exists in the market. One, then secondly, how you are going to read those configuration manually. Those things. That's it. You need to know.
Okay. So basically, we can say that
Mm.
in order to do the audit and read, we use an automation tool like Skybox.
Sky,
And
right, absolutely right. See,
okay.
I'm just this video will play soon. See how you are going to now. We are seeing how we are adding the Cisco firewall into the Skybox. See, this is a way. This is a software which this is a channel of particular this company itself only. I will share you this channel. There is only 5-6 videos. Just go through this video so that you are having a look and feel of this thing. See, this is a way the software look like. Skybox software look like. See here on the left hand side, can you see so many firewalls are there? Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible. Yeah.
Yeah. So here on the left hand side, you can see there is a 49 firewalls are there. When you go larger organization, they are not one or two firewalls. They are using almost 25 plus firewalls, and manually logging into the firewall doing audits, it's next to impossible because the firewall contains at least minimum 10,000 lines, and going through all 10,000 lines, making a report, sorting out all those things is next to impossible. So that's the reason what the companies do. They use a three kind of software automation tool, which is called Skybox first, second AlgoSec, third is a manage engine. So what I am showing you is a Skybox, which I have worked on in my previous company. So this is the way how it is look like. See, on the left hand side, you can see the configurations of firewalls are there, and here it's showing the list of the firewalls. Here you can see on the this thing configuration compliance, how many configuration, how many firewall has been compliant to the configuration, like any in the source, any in the destination, or CNC rules. Then what is the uses of particular access list been configured, means which kind of rules are there, right? There is a shadow rule, duplicate rules, what network team is due. Sometimes they will configure two lines duplicately, so which increases the CPU power of the firewall. To remove this duplicate lines also, this firewall helps, this automation tool helps. See, this way you are going to configure the firewall into this automation tool. Yeah, see, you have to add, you don't need to do anything, just go here, add firewall, just open this window will come. Just within the task, just go in the task, just do a right click and add firewalls. That's it, and it will fetch the configuration of firewall. See, like this. See here, add firewalls. Nothing you have to do anything. Just putting a firewall name, IP address, and it will fetch the configuration of firewall. See, you can see this thing how it is performing. See, new task, firewall, select a firewall. See here, see, in the manufacturer, there are so many firewalls are there. Can you see? It is asking to select the firewall, Cisco firewall. We are selecting a Cisco firewalls here. Now it is, see, then secondly, we have put the Cisco firewall and which ports, the configuration it is going to pull out port 22. How connection is been made within 2 minutes we are going to study. See, just remember here SSH port 22 means this skybox connecting to the firewall on port 22 for fetching the configuration. See, this way we have to put the IP address of the firewall here. That's it. And put the username and password of the firewall like this one. Yeah. So now now, yeah. Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes.
Is
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
See, so what's happened? So this is the firewall, right? And this is my server. Uh, this is my Skybox server. So how you have to make a connection between this firewall into a server? You have to in Skybox. You are going to put, suppose this is a 10.10.10.1i, and here you have to make the connection you have to put the IP address of firewall 10.10.10.1. So what it will do, it will pull out the configuration, it will make the connection. See, it will make the similar way. If I make the connection from Skybox to the firewall, this one, but again on which port? I cannot allow any port, right? I cannot allow any port from the server to the firewall. So which port I'm going to, that I have to specify. The port is going to be a port 22. 22. It is a secure port of extracting the file. So what this skybox is doing, it is pulling the configuration file over the connecting over the port 22 and running onto this automation tool. An easier form way, it will giving you the menu option, right? Excel, then PDF form, so that you can work on this one. This is the one, and second tool is AlgoSec. Just the AlgoSec is also there. Similar way Skybox works, similar way AlgoSec works. This is a demo of, this is the official website of this AlgoSec. So you have to go, at least go and see a five videos of Skybox, five video of AlgoSec. Similar way, it is also doing same function, pulling the configuration on port 22 from the firewall. See, this is the way this look like. See, one question, what this device means? Anyone wanted to answer what this device means?
This is a router.
Yeah, this is a router. So now we are easily identifying which is a which device. See, like this way, it is showing you network diagram. It is here. Yeah. See here, it is showing a demo of Palo Alto firewall. What previously we have seen a demo of Cisco firewalls. See here, this way it is showing you security rating 80%, 20, 12% compliance. So similar way, it is giving a report to analyze, and within a simpler form, it is giving you the complete reports like this way. See, unused rules, how many critical rules are there. This is the one, and the free version I think is available. Which one? Let me show you. It is there. Yeah. See, this is a managed engine. Third one, I think it is available for 30 minutes, 30 days of trial. You have to enable it. It is working or not. Third one is manage engine. See, you can download this for free downloads. It is available. I have downloaded this one. See, by the time it is getting installed, I will show you the demo of the things. Can you see this PPT?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, this is the diagram when I made to connect the skybox only. See this. See, yeah, yeah. See, whenever you configuring this matrix, right? This matrix also we are configuring in the skybox tool and in the AlgoSec tool as well. Same way. First, you are making a manually in the PPT. Second, same thing is goes into the skybox or algosec. See, when I pull out the report from the skybox or algosec, the report look like this way: source address, destination address, service, and the action. Right? This is a way of skybox or algosec or managed engine gives the report in Excel form. This is an interface, all those things. And now how I'm making the report. So this is a way I'm making a report, filtering all those things. See, first I'm going to put firewall name. Second, what is my observation? It does not matter, it depends upon company to company how they are making a reports. I'm just showing you one of the way which in previous company I used to make a report. It does not matter if it is come in the first place or firewall will come in the next place. If it is, if we are know, if source is coming in the place of observation or observation coming in place of CLI, it does not matter. The matter is we are preparing a report. See what I said in my previous video or previous thing. It's just how we are going to make a report on basis of what? Any. See, any in the source destination configured with any. I am putting this rules. And do you know what is this means? CLI. Yeah, yesterday you asked what is this CLI, and now today we studies how we are going to read these things. So now just tell me this. Now you understood this line on the right hand extreme right hand side: access list, DMZ, access in, extended permit, object group, DM line, service, any, right? So any question on this?
No, sir. Good.
Yeah. So similar way, second line, what we have configured, this is a firewall name. What is my observation? Is source destination configured with any? See, destination is the any. So this is my observation. In the third one, complete subnet is configured means /10 is configured means larger network is configured. Larger network is allowed. It should be in a shorter network. Now the fourth observation, so not fourth, last observation is service configured with vulnerable port or any. When I say vulnerable port means CNC port. See, when I see port 3389445 SSH net BIOS, this is a list which I've already given. See, this is a list of ports. If I see any of these ports, I will raise a, it will come in the my report like this way. So last one, what you are seeing, nothing but a CNC rule. So this is where we are going to make a report with help of Skybox, Algosec, and the manage engine. Let's see if this configure.
I still did not understand how, I mean, the last column where you have written the
This one, yeah, this one,
CLI, yeah, column,
this one, yeah,
that verbiage,
which one? This
the
one,
last column,
yeah,
the last column, yeah.
yeah. Which one you have not
So,
understand?
I mean, all of this, like this verbiage, how to write, I still don't understand.
Verbiage. This Excel sheet. See, when you are pulling out the report from the Skybox, this way the report will come, right? Simple.
Yeah.
So within that, see, suppose this line are coming, right? So I will pick this one. It is showing any in the source, any in the destination, right? I will do a copy, pasting here and here. This source destination service interface. These two column I am adding firewall name and my observation. Right? What is my observation? Any in the source, right? Any in the destination, any in the
Yes.
source, any in the destination. Or you
That,
just
that I understood, sir.
yeah, okay.
So the
Hmm.
first, second, third, fourth, fifth
Hmm.
column is good. The interface column also,
Hmm.
DMZ and untrust, that's fine. But the
Hmm.
last column where you have written like for the first row, yeah,
This
access
one,
list, this verbiage, I mean,
yeah. So this is the one which I have explained like this one. See, this is okay. This how we are going to write this one, right? So you have
yeah.
to yeah, understood. Yeah. So you have to just pull out from this report, this access list from here only itself only.
Oh, okay.
just copy this one and paste that one there. Actually, here I missed that access list. Actually, here it should come, but in my this PPT it is not came here. But whenever you do pull out the report from the skybox or this thing, this also will come with along with this one. So you don't need to get
Okay.
worried. You have to doing copy paste from the this notepad. You don't need to do a copy paste from the notepad. It will give you. But here
Okay.
it not came. It was a good question from your side, but here it is not came. Here, if you see, one line will come, and that ACL will also come there.
Okay, got it. Got it. If it's a copy paste, fine. Otherwise, I was like, how
No, no,
will I?
no. You are not going to write anything. It is only
Okay.
copy paste. Or this Skybox tool or Argosec tool will give you all those things.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Now, yeah. Let's get this. See, this is the managed engine. I think it is available for free. Just try to download this thing. Here it is not getting downloaded. Yeah. See, this managed engine is free for 30 days. You just download. I'm getting some issues. I will sort this issue out. This so what we have studies now. I'm going to repeat those things. I'll share the screen right now. So see, so what we have studied today. One, packet tracer. Just download the packet tracer and perform the sorry how router look like. Just try to do some of the configuration, router, switch, and the firewall with the help of packet tracer. One second, what we have seen, how firewall audits it's is been performed, how we are going to make a report, and I will give you at 3 to 5 lines of CLI. Just try to prepare the report in Excel form from your end. I'm not giving you complete this notepad. I'm just giving you 3 to 5 CLI lines. Means if you're seeing this one, yeah. So you now screen is visible.
Yeah.
So
Observation,
yeah,
destination.
yeah. You don't need to mention this firewall things because there is no firewall name. Just put observation, source, destination, service. You don't have to put interface as well, and CLI. That's it. So that you will be getting fluent in making firewall audits. So it doesn't matter if you give me tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Take a seven days of time whenever you get the time. But in the next week, I'm going to ask, show me this how you made those things, firewall audit things.
Okay, so one question. So for each line, there will
Hmm?
be one this thing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, right.
Okay.
There's in some line there is no observation. In some line there is a observation. So basis
Okay.
of that you do see. Suppose if I given you 10 lines, and in that only 6 lines having observation. So you have to make only 6 lines. All that 4 lines you don't need to make the observation.
Okay.
Okay. So see, when you are making this report, going to make this report, the question comes to you in your mind, then you are going to ask me the questions. If you are not going to make a report, there is no question comes into your mind. So there's a reason I want you to have a question in your mind so that you can ask the many question in the class.
Yeah.
So this is today's lecture. So any question on this today's class? Any doubt?
No, sir, we're good. It was a good class.
Okay. So yeah, we will be meeting tomorrow. Then again.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.